Hi, this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I want to talk to you folks a little bit about water treatment and about our company. Quality Water Treatment was founded in 1990. We're a family owned and operated company, a full service shop, as well as a pump and well company. So we did water treatment and pump and well work both. We have over 35 years experience in the water treatment industry. Uh, our son, Jeremy, and our daughter, Heather, both work for us. They grew up in the business. Heather's been with the company for a little bit over 12 years now, and Jeremy's been with us for a little bit over 6 years now. And my wife, Debbie, helps with the office work and bookkeeping and stuff like that. So when you purchase from Quality Water Treatment, you're purchasing from an American family-owned small business that works extremely hard to give our customers the best equipment that money could buy, but at an affordable price. But not just that, but we really pride ourselves on making sure that we treat you like family. When you become one of our customers, you become one of our family members, and we do the best that we can to make sure that we give you the best service possible before and after the sale. On our website, we have a FAQ section that has a lot of answers to commonly asked questions and as well as some not commonly asked questions. And we're always looking for input so we can add to that FAQ for our customers. We also have troubleshooting videos for our systems, not just the Soft Pro systems, but the Flex systems as well. We carry the best brands available on the market today at, again, very affordable prices. Now, our Soft Pro brand is our most popular brand. Soft Pro is built by the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. We have these systems built for us and drop shipped directly to our customers. This particular brand carries a better warranty than other brands on the market. But the big deal with these particular Soft Pro systems is that they save you money. They don't just cost you money. So, for instance, if you bought a Fleck water softener from us or from somebody else, for that matter, Fleck is a system that's been around for years, and but they're old school. They're downflow systems. They don't have any sort of water saving features involved with them. They're pretty much just state old technology. So, your average Fleck water softener will use up to 75% of salt and up to 64% more water per regeneration than the Soft Pro system. So that's one of the key benefits of having a Soft Pro water softener over a Fleck water softener. As far as our iron filters go, we specialize in well water treatment as well as city water treatment. My experience has been mostly well water treatment and surface water treatment over the years. And, the catalog system that we call the Iron Master, which uses internal air injection on the side of the valve with a media called Catalogs, which is a really high oxidizing type of media. It has a lot of oxidizing powers to it, using a substance called magnesium dioxide, which is very prevalent in the Catalogs media. So with the magnesium dioxide, which is a natural oxidizer to iron and manganese and sulfur, along with the air injection, you get the best of the best as far as iron filtration goes. We also offer pH neutralizers to raise pH in the water and triple O systems to filter the water out if you have a large storage tank, 500 gallons or larger, where you have a booster pump or something like that, where you're pulling the water out of that tank to pressurize it to feed to your home. And you have a lot of iron or sulfur in the water, and you want to remove that inside your storage tank. The triple O system is great for that. We've been selling triple O systems and servicing and installing them since 1990. They work very well in some of the worst water conditions I've ever seen. It's unbelievable. You can look inside that storage tank before the triple O system's installed, and you can't see your hand. You can stick your hand in there, you can't see your hand because the water is so dark and brown from the iron. And you put this triple O system in, come back the next day, and you can see the bottom of the tank. That's how well those triple O systems work. But again, you need a storage tank. The typical family, usually 2,300 gallons or larger, in order for those to work properly. So when you're looking at water treatment equipment online or in general, even if you've been solicited by a local water treatment company, you want to look at the quality of the equipment they're selling. You want to make sure that they're not a franchise type company to where you're stuck with them having to supply you with parts later on down the road as needed, or maybe something that you can't work on yourself to where you have to hire them and pay an absorbent amount of money to have them come out because they pretty much got you. You also want to look at warranties. Some systems have a very minimal warranty on them. Some systems out there being sold at different stores, like Sears, stuff like that, they have a minimal warranty. They're very inexpensively made systems. I don't want to use the word cheap, but that's pretty much what they are. You want to go with a high quality system like the Soft Pro or the Fleck systems. Those have been proven to be well worth the little bit of extra money you're going to spend on those over a store-bought type of model. But on top of that, you want to make sure that when you purchase a water treatment system, that you're purchasing from a company that does water treatment, and that's all they do. Quality Water Treatment, again, has been in business since 1990, and we're family owned and operated, and we put a lot of emphasis on making sure that our customers are well taken care of. But we're always here for you. If you have any questions, you can call us, you can text us, you can use our live chat or email us, whatever works best for you. And we're here to help you. We have customers that are customers for over 20 years that still contact us every once in a while. They have a question. Sometimes the question's a little bit more in detail and needs quite a bit of attention and maybe some parts or something like that. And sometimes it's just a real simple question like, how often do I clean my salt tank? How much salt do I add to my tank? Hey, my salt's not going down. My water's not soft anymore. What's the problem? So these are very simple questions, and actually, most of those questions are answered on our FAQ as well. But we're more than happy to help you out where we can. So when you purchase a system, don't just look at price, but look at what is coming with the full purchase from the company that you're purchasing from. You can purchase water treatment equipment online from other companies that might be less expensive, but are you going to get the customer support and service that you deserve later on down the road? And when I say later on down the road, I don't mean 30 days after the purchase. I'm talking years upon years. So when you're looking at this, make sure that you keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that you're supporting a family-owned, small American-owned company. And we do really appreciate your business. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.